This is why this type of snorkel is the best design. Why did none of those fly? They're all...
A couple did.
Ow!
One hit me on the head. I can't compete with that.
Charlie, you gotta compete.
I can't.
Show them how it's done.
No.
They're not an Eagle Scout. Yeah! Oh, this is gonna be good.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, no.
Oh, it's still running! It's still running! Nice! What's up, guys? 4th of July weekend shenanigans here for you. I took out the Pioneer 1000. It's on the 32 Aztecs now because the 33s are rubbing a little bit, but I'm going to fix that with some Texas Tough Customs forward arms. We also had a bunch of Talons out there. The Talons did phenomenal as always, but I love my Pioneer. This thing did a camping trip this weekend. We had tons of gear in the back of it, and it still went everywhere and was a ton of fun. The Adam Brown 28% low range gear reduction is working great. Absolutely rips those 32s. And yeah, found a lot of good mud. Holopaw is still a little dry and dusty, but overall, a lot of fun. And the back north end of the property, like the mud flats, is getting pretty thick and fun right now. Nice! Hold on, Charles. Ah. Oh. The Honda submarine. The Honda submarine. Ooh. Ooh.
That's all she's got. Oh, you see this guy I know.
No one's hit that in a minute. Hold on, Charlie. Dude, what a machine!
You'd go right through it. Huh? You'd go right through it.
Go, go, go!